टीम के बैटिंग कंसल्टेंट मैथ्यू हेडन भी भारत के खिलाफ जीत पर इंतहाई खुश है। वीडियो पैगाम में कहा कि जिस चीज़ ने मुझे कल सबसे ज़्यादा मुतासिर किया वो पाकिस्तान की बैटिंग थी। मुझे खिलाड़ियों पर फख्र है। उम्मीद है कि न्यूजीलैंड के खिलाफ भी बेहतरीन खेल का मुजाहरा करेंगे।
So it's beautiful to see those moments where MS Dhoni's holding court with, a few of the players, and Virat Kohli and Rizzy, in brotherhood, joining hands after there was heated battles in the middle. So fantastic. And the great humility from our perspective inside the change rooms, not getting carried away too much with the celebrations, but just this great humility, this great sense of spirit, and great sense of purpose moving into the next game against New Zealand. So all in all, I'm so proud of the boys. A special comment from my end as well around Dean Jones and how it is that he's always been there for Pakistan cricket. He's been on the phone to me, for years, telling me how great these young batters are and how special, Pakistan and the environment and the culture of cricket is in Pakistan. So a little shout out, to our spirit in heaven, that Dean Jones looking down, seeing an inspired Pakistan beat India was very, very special for me personally.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।